From the previous video, you all understood the basic types of natural fibers and noticed that animal fibers are of two types, hair and silk fibers. Now you can easily differentiate plant from animal fibers. You have understood the story of silk and also watched a very interesting video on the life cycle of the silk moth. You all have a clear picture that woolen fabrics are there from the period of ancient human civilization. Now, let's go into detail regarding silk and its processing. Are you all ready, children? Before that, focus on keywords. Keywords: chilkalu, greenages, citizen and fibroin. Cocoonage. Concept map. Learning objectives. By the end of this video, you would be understanding how silk fabric is made from silk moths. Step-by-step process in making fabric with silk. If you would like to know in detail, watch this video, The Processing of Silk. Let's go with step-by-step process. Step 1. Silk moth is like a butterfly. We keep those moths in a grill mesh box in separate rooms. We call them as chilkalu. Scientific name of these moths is Bombyx mori. At the time of laying eggs, white cloth pieces or paper are arranged. Moths lay hundreds of eggs on them. A female moth lays around 500 eggs in one go and dies. Farmers from different places in our state come and purchase these tiny worms or eggs. The centers where silk moths are laid are called greenages. You can see a big seed growing center, a Horsley Hills in the Chittoor district. Step 2. Some trays had white and yellowish egg-like structures on mats or beds of chopped mulberry leaves to get small worms. These worms eat leaves a day and night and grow in a good hygienic condition. Mostly per year, 5 to 6 harvests of worms can be done. We can get mulberry twigs from Palmaneru of Chittoor district, to feed these worms. After 30 to 35 days, the caterpillar stops eating and settles at a particular place. It weaves a net to hold itself. by moving its mouth from side to side by secreting a substance. Which is very strong and is mainly made up of two types of protein, sericin and fibroin. When it is exposed to air and heat, it becomes strong, which forms the silk fiber. When the cocoon grows bigger, it transfers the worms into a big-sized cane frame, cocoonage or chandrikalu. The net is woven completely to cover the body of the caterpillar, which looks like a closed sac called cocoon. Pattukayalu. Larva of silkworm changes in the cocoon into a moth. After 2 to 3 weeks, young moths come out from the cocoons and fly away. So, within 2 to 3 days of formation of cocoon, we remove them from the tray and kill the larvae inside by putting a lot of steam oven for 10 to 15 minutes. To loosen the fiber and to get a continuous thread of silk from such a cocoon called stifling. This thread is reeled to get silk fiber from the cocoon, which is called reeling. The silk fiber is carefully collected from the cocoon and nearly 3 to 8 of such threads are wound together to make yarn. This is done with a special machine called reelers and twisters. You can see reeling centers at Nandikotkur, Hyderabad, Karimnagar. These cocoons are kept in sealed bags and sold at the cocoon market. The yarn is cleaned, bleached and colored. The yarn is ready to be woven into a variety of designed fabrics on looms. Weaving. Weaving silk fabric by using silk yarn on hand looms are called weaving. Now the fabric is ready. Wow, so beautiful! Let's see some varieties of pattu sarees made of silk. Banaras, Kanchipuram, Dharmavaram, Narayanpet, Kottakota and Pochampalli are all types of silk fabrics. Pochampalli pattu is also called tie and dye or jamdani. Silk is used to make other products as well, like satin and crepe. Both hand looms and power looms are used to weave silk. You may have also heard about several varieties of silk like tussar silk, munga silk, kosa silk, eri silk, etc. The oak plantation is mainly concentrated in Karimnagar, Adilabad, Warangal, Khammam. Points to remember. Animal fibers are natural fibers. Animal fiber is a protein, while plant fiber is a carbohydrate. The rearing of silkworms to obtain silk is called sericulture. Dharmavaram is a hub for pure silk sarees. Cocoons need to be boiled to get a continuous long thread, the process called stifling. The caterpillar secretes fiber made of a protein which hardens on exposure to air and becomes silk fiber. Thank you for watching the video. To get more videos further, for more knowledge, like, share and subscribe. Bye children. See you in the next video.